Riding in the city is like tackling a war zone. There are dangers lurking at every corner. Fellow bikers, pedestrians, cyclists, buses, trucks, cars, the works. Everything is a danger for the person riding in the city. And that's why this episode of the Pulsar Mania Thrill of Riding is going to focus on urban riding.
Yes, and we're going to teach them how to save in the city, and we're going to share some tricks with them so they can go earlier, fastest to the office and their home also.
Yeah, and go back home earlier. But before you hit the city, what is the first thing that you need?
The Pulsar NS200's engine produces a punchy 23 bhp and 18.3 Newton meters of torque, which is great for quick acceleration between the traffic lights. Its perimeter frame offers great handling, which is fabulous for filtering. Also, the 300mm disc with single-channel ABS up front means you have all the stopping power you need for the urban jungle.
So we know that Hrishi uses the Pulsar not just for the series, but also he personally owns and rides the Pulsar.
And the Pulsar is the perfect bike for the city riding.
Also, before you go out riding, there's another thing that you should be aware of.
Riding gears, the most important thing, riding gears, helmet, jacket, gloves and shoes.
So what Hrishi is wearing is not overkill. Okay, maybe the boots are a little overkill if you're riding to work, but apart from that, you have to wear a proper jacket, a proper riding pant, gloves and a helmet. The helmet is the most important thing. Whether you're riding in the hills, in the city, riding for just 100 meters, always wear a helmet. Before we go for a ride, there are a few important things to remember.
You need to make yourself visible, and the best way to do that is to wear a helmet with bright colors. Also, make sure all the lights are working at all the times and position yourselves so that the others can see you.
And now that we've run through the basics, let's hit the city and see what urban riding is all about.
Let's go for a ride.
Scan the environment instead of looking just straight ahead. Is there something coming from the left or the right? Is the car ahead going to slam on the brakes? Scanning helps you anticipate all of this. And here's another tip. Look through the windscreen of the car and you can see further ahead. Staying on the left means you're close to the curb and can stop safely if you need. Bikers who obstruct other road users cause frustration and can lead to road rage. Leave space for others to pass you. Be considerate. You'll be much safer for it. If you don't leave a safe distance to the car in front, first of all, you won't be able to stop in time if it hits the brakes. Second, if you can't see ahead, you won't be able to spot the gap, and thus you won't be able to filter through and you will end up being a slower rider. Look up and see what's ahead of you. You'll be able to spot hazards as well as opportunities much faster. Also, check what's behind you before you make any move. Always try and overtake from the right. The right is where the driver sits, so the chances of him seeing you are greater. Also, don't coast alongside the vehicle. Drop a gear, get into the power band and accelerate past. The Pulsar has enough and more power for it. Make sure the path is clear before you merge into flowing traffic. Spot the gap before you do it and indicate your intent to join the traffic. Slow down at the intersection and stop if you have to. Be in the correct lane. Don't take a right turn from the left side of the road. When you do get to the intersection, you should be able to get past the entire junction in one smooth motion. The Pulsar has more than enough power for this. These urban riding tips should make you a better and safer rider. But most importantly, we hope that this gives you more confidence.
Remember one thing, confident rider will be like a fast and a safe rider in the city.
Now be aware, the city is not your private racetrack. Don't ride like a hooligan in the city. Beware of traffic rules and other road users and be sensitive to other road users. There might be a lot of traffic and there might be dangers, but there's a lot of joy to be had in riding in the city.
And next episode, we're going to teach you how to do the group riding.
Now, group riding is something that we all do, but there are dangers and there are joys associated with it. We're going to talk about both, but before that, like and subscribe to this channel and watch out for more thrill of riding videos.